Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be packing for my Goa trip with you guys. So I have my bag right here. Unfortunately, I have to fit everything in this frame, so it's very messed up. I have all the stuff that I'm supposed to be packing right here, and this is my bag. And once I open my bag, ये वाला जो side है ये खाली है. This is my side and this is where I'm going to be packing. The other side is my husband's side. He's already packed. वो काफ़ी मतलब punctual है. He does everything on time. I'm the person who does it on last minute. I'm supposed to leave tonight and अभी 5 बजे शाम को I'm packing. So yeah, मैं late Latif type की हूँ. So anywho, I'm gonna be packing with you guys. I'm gonna be showing everything that I put in here. I hope you can see. So the first thing that I'm going to be putting in this bag is this raincoat. This one I got from Amazon, and इसको ना fold करके रखना पड़ेगा, otherwise nothing else will fit. And I'm very lazy at folding, so I just do ऐसे shortcut वाला method. I'll probably just keep it over here. ये last में डालूंगी. So firstly I'll pack all my dresses. I'll start off with this one. This I got from Amazon, and it's in this very nice fun floral print, and I'll probably be wearing this at the beach. Next up is this red leopard print dress, and this one again is from Amazon, and this has this collar thingy going on, and I'll probably wear this when we go somewhere, like maybe for dinner or anywhere else that we go. I can wear this. Next up I have another dress, and that is how it looks like, and this I'll wear for a nice fancy dinner, like if we go for a nice romantic dinner date maybe at the beach or somewhere, I'll probably be wearing this. It looks very elegant. आप देख सकते हो सब पे टैग्स है, मैंने नए नए लिए हैं फॉर दिस ट्रिप इटसेल्फ. एंड दिस इज अ फोर्थ ड्रेस. दिस इज अ काफ्तान ड्रेस. That is how it looks like, and I think I'll wear this at the airport while going from here, so let's not pack this. I'm also carrying 2 tops. So this is the first one. It's a very nice fresh summer color. And this is the second one. This one I got from Sarojini Nagar, and I got it just for 250 rupees. Next time I'm packing my night dress, and it's got this Hello Kitty print shorts along with the same Hello Kitty print shirt. I think it's the most cutest night dress that I've ever had. Okay, so next up I'm also taking this pair of shorts along with me. It's a very nice, loose, easy breezy pair of shorts, and I think I'm gonna pair it up with this plain black t-shirt. Next up is the swimming costume that I got from Clovia. I've never worn it. First time मुझे पहनने मिलेगा ये. Thanks to Goa. And then that's slip. Next up I have these 2 pairs of tights, and these I'm going to be wearing under my dresses. I'm also going to be carrying this summer hat with me. It's such a pretty hat, and suppose we sit at the beach and the sun is too strong, I can probably wear this. I'm also going to be carrying these 3 bags, and this is what the first bag looks like. This is something that you're supposed to tie around your waist. I'm not really sure what you call these kind of bags. And इसके अंदर ना मैंने 2 sunglasses भी रखे हैं. So let me just show you. Okay, so these are what both the sunglasses look like. I think they're so pretty, and they're both unisex as well. So me and my husband, we can both keep twinning in these. And this is what the second bag looks like. It's a lavi bag. And this is the third bag. Next up I have two more pouches. This is my skincare pouch and this is my makeup pouch. I already have a video on what exactly is in both of these pouches, so I'm gonna leave the link to that video in the description box below in case if you want to check that out. Also मेरी बैग ना ऑलमोस्ट फुल हो गई है एंड जो स्किन केयर वाला पाउच है उसमें बिल्कुल भी जगह नहीं थी, सो आई couldn't really fit these two products. These are again two skincare products both by Ayuga, so I'm gonna like place them somewhere around here. Let me just show you what these are. So the first one is their Ayuga Chandanam and Rose Water Face Mist. And the second one is Ayuga 2% Chandanam Sunscreen. Now the mist smells so good. It's got this natural fragrance, no added fragrance, no alcohol, nothing, and it feels so refreshing. This is like the perfect travel partner to carry in your travel bag. I'm probably going to be keeping this in my handbag because whenever I feel tired because of all the traveling, I can just spray this on my face and it's instantly gonna like revive my skin and make me feel all refreshed. Smells really good. It's so hydrating and it's so refreshing. And the sunscreen is like the most essential part of any Goa trip because Goa जा रहे हो तो बीच पे तो chill करोगे कि बीच पे sun होगा and you have to like wear sunscreen whenever you step out in the sun. So this contains an SPF of 50 PA++, which is an amazing amount of UVA protection. It also protects your skin from UVB rays and it's got a lot of natural ingredients like sandalwood, turmeric and other 26 precious herbs. And इसकी जो consistency is so amazing. You can literally use this during all seasons of the year. It's got a very lightweight consistency and it blends into the skin in just 2-3 seconds. That is how lightweight and that is how amazing it is. It's very fast absorbing and it doesn't even feel heavy at all. Like ये लगाने के बाद मुझे ऐसे फील हो रहा है जैसे मैंने कोई सीरम सा सीरम जैसी चीज़ लगा ली. Not even like a moisturizer. It feels like as lightweight as a serum, as lightweight as water on my skin once it's absorbed. So it feels nice and hydrating and it's not at all heavy. And the sunscreen is by Ayuga and all Ayuga products are developed under the guidance of India's leading Ayurvedic and yoga experts. And all Ayuga products are made from USDA organic certified ingredients and they're all certified as toxin free by MadeSafe. They're certified by PETA as cruelty free and they are licensed by the Ayush Ministry. And the best part about Ayuga products is that they disclose the concentration of classical Ayurvedic formulation. Like this sunscreen contains 2% of Chandanam, and when you use Ayuga products along with the correct yoga rituals, you can achieve double the results. In order to know how to do a yoga pose while applying the sunscreen, you can scan the QR code that's mentioned at the back of the packaging. The packaging also mentions the exact Ayurvedic text from which the recipe of the sunscreen has been taken. For example, the sunscreen has been formulated using the Astanga Hridayam recipe. So yeah, the sunscreen is going to come really handy to me for my Goa trip and it's going to help to protect my skin against the sun, against the harmful UVA and UVB rays, and it's also going to help to hydrate my skin. So in case if you want to purchase this sunscreen, you can buy it from Amazon, Nykaa or Flipkart, or you can also shop it from Ayuga's website, where if you use my coupon code Riya20, you'll get a 20% off on this. So I'm putting both the Ayuga facial mist as well as the Ayuga sunscreen in my bag. And lastly, I have a few accessories and jewelry pieces. So इसमें ना मैंने सारे earrings डाल दिए हैं. Then I have a few necklaces in here. A few more in here. And some hair accessories. I'm also carrying these two hair bands with me. So this is a printed one and this is a velvet one with all of these pearls studded. And after this, I'm also going to be putting my undergarments on top here. I'm going to fit them somewhere. I know jagah nahi hai, but dalna hi padega. And that's all that I'm packing for my Goa trip. काफ़ी ज़्यादा सामान हो गया. I feel ये 15 kg से ज़्यादा हो जाएगा बैग, but we are 2 people and we're just carrying one bag, so I think manageable है शायद. So anywho, that's all that I'm packing for my Goa trip. I hope you guys got some ideas as to what are the things that you can also be packing for your trips. Apart from this, I'm also going to be carrying a first aid pouch. वो मैंने बनाया नहीं अभी तक. I'm going to be putting some bandages and some soframycin and a couple of things here and there, and toothbrush. I completely forgot. Toothbrush डालना है, पर वो रात को एक बार ब्रश करने के बाद डालना है. So we have time. So yeah, that's all that I'm packing for my Goa trip. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.